Picturesque rolling cropland in northeast Indiana, plus wooded acreage, livestock buildings, country home, cattle and horse complex, and much more. Metzger Property Services presents these 141 acres in Huntington County near Roanoke, selling at auction February 8th. Property will be offered in 9 tracts ranging from 2.4 acres to 27 acres in size, a variety of amazing rural building sites or perfect for outdoor recreation. Tract 1 is a 14-acre country homestead with outbuildings, a perfect balance of country living yet close to amenities. The rustic farmhouse on Tract 1 has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and features a spacious master bedroom, hardwood floors, built-ins, large kitchen, walk-in pantry, fireplace, and much more. Structures on Tract 1 include a 60 by 140 cattle barn and a 30 by 72 pole barn shop with heat and concrete floors. Tract 8 is 2.4 acres in size with a Cape Cod-style home and outbuilding. The house has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, plus an attached garage. Tract 7 is a 16-acre swing tract without road access and must be purchased with another tract. 2 open house dates are scheduled: Saturday afternoon, January 25th from 4 to 5 o'clock and Saturday afternoon, February 1st from 4 to 5 o'clock. Property is at 11678 North 500 East, Roanoke, Indiana. Private showings are also available by appointment through Metzger Property Services. Building sites, rolling cropland, homes, and livestock buildings. These 141 acres will sell at auction Saturday afternoon, February 8th at 1 o'clock. Auction will be held off-site at the Cottage Event Center on U.S. Route 24 in Roanoke. To find out more, call Tim Pitts, 317-714-0432. Call Chad Metzger, 260-982-0238. Or visit the Metzger Auction Services website online at metzgerauction.com.